Hey, what's up guys, my name is Rishabh and you are watching Everyone's Story. So today in this video, I'm going to review episode 74 of this Pokemon Journeys. But before that, I want you guys to like the video as a motivation purpose for me. Now without wasting any time, let me jump straight to the video. Okay, the episode starts with Cresselia getting attacked by Team Rocket. Since the injured Cresselia somehow able to hide himself in the new Moon Island. And just after that, we saw that Darkrai feel that something is happening, so he went by himself to check it out. Then in the next scene, Professor Cerise was telling Ash and Go about Darkrai and its night dreams that are currently affecting Sinnoh region common peoples. However, there is an awesome thing happened in this scene that Ash first immediately recognizes Darkrai. Then Ash even mentioned to Go that he had also battled a Darkrai before. So it was actually a very good reference that show the continuity of past battles. Whatever, after that Ash and Go just ready to go to the Sinnoh region for investigation. Now then we saw Chloe remind her dad that they have to go for a family vacation when she will return from school, on which her dad replied that he remembered about it. But when she returned from school, her dad says that they can't go for vacation as he have some works to do. So Chloe packed her bags and said she will go alone with her Eevee. Since at this point, we saw some similar scenes that we had seen before in Sinnoh first episode when Dawn was leaving her home to start her journey. Although after that we saw that Chloe has arrived on the town of Sinnoh. Since in starting Chloe faced some problems out here, as she never go on a trip alone. But she was able to find a place where she could relax for a minute. And also at this point, she saw her interview on a big screen related to Pokemon contest. And the woman who was giving the interview was actually Dawn's mother, which really was an unexpectedly return. Whatever, Chloe Eevee get excited from the name of Pokemon contest, so she decided to go and see a contest which is going to held in the next town. And to go to the next town, Chloe have to cross a long forest. And again we saw that Chloe faced some trouble, but somehow she able to manage all these. Now on the another side, Ash and Go are doing their investigation on Darkrai and they found that everyone in town are having nightmares. Even Ash and Go saw nightmare, which is actually so funny to see for us. Since I have a theory, that maybe Darkrai had shown Ash and Go a Team Rocket nightmare. Because he knows that Cresselia is in danger, and he wants Ash and Go to help him, to protect Cresselia from Team Rocket. However, it's only a theory right now, I don't know does it the real reason, or not. Now in the next scene we saw Dawn return, which was very funny and awesome return. Since I really like Dawn and Chloe interaction, especially their Dajobo fight was really so funny to watch. Although after that we saw a Sleepy Raiden attack on Dawn and Chloe. In which first Eevee attacked with Tackle, and Piplup with Bubble Beam, but this all doesn't affect him much. But after that we saw Chloe Eevee copycat Piplup attack and use it in better and also in a stronger way. Now after all this, they end up finding the injured Cresselia. So this episode was really awesome, you will definitely enjoy it. As Chloe and Dawn interaction was amazing, and Ash and Go funny dream was also nice. So now this episode rating is 8 out of 10. And that's enough for this video. I hope you guys had enjoyed it, so don't forget to subscribe this channel and hit that bell icon to get more this type of videos in future. Also be sure to comment your thoughts related to Dawn return. Now at last as always, if you guys like to interact with me, then you can follow me on my social media handles like Instagram and Twitter. Thanks for watching.